What's up, everybody? It's Sunday night. I just got home from a car show, got some videos to edit, got some really good footage. Today was awesome. If you didn't, if you were in Northern California and you didn't come to Cutlass versus Chevelle, you missed a hell of a show. That brought out some of the cleanest A bodies I've seen in a long time. But I just wanted to get this out here because you guys saw me load up the Z, the 240Z, and I sold it. I sold the car. It's gone. I bought something else. I'm working on those videos right now. But what I wanted to do is come in and let you guys know that I have upgraded my YouTube. The 240Z video showed me something. There's a quality when you have good components, and when you have good components, sometimes the outcomes are just exponentially better, and I can see it in the views. I'm not sure if I got more views because the edit was better or if the car was cool, but I got 1,000 views in what usually is like a 45 to 75 view span. Like YouTube Studio will show you like how many views you usually get in the same amount of time, and I beat it by like 970 views at the same amount of time per video. So I spent some money. Right here we got our Seagate 6 terabyte expansion. Mac Mini, 16 gigs of RAM, 526 gigs of memory. It's the number 2. It's the one that's like $8.99 starting off, and then I upgraded a few things inside of it just for the editing software. Logic Pro, all that good stuff. I got the oh man, the educational bundle. You get it for cheap. So I went to Walmart, picked up a Vivitar mini SD to USB-C setup, Logitech speakers with it's a 2.1. It's not the world's best. I'm actually gonna upgrade. You can get the clips, or Logitech even has one with like a gold speaker that's better. I've always had the GoPro 8, and then this gem is a HDR screen. My buddy Germs shot over to me for a good deal. Super clean, great resolution. I was looking at monitors, and all you can really find is gaming stuff. I don't need refresh rate, I need clarity. So got that, Logitech keyboard, Magic Mouse, the chargeable one, not the battery powered. Apparently that's an upgrade. Grim was telling me, he was like, you got the one that's above, because he's got the one with battery pack. But anyways, I got this stuff so I can pursue what I want to do better. I got snap-on tools so I can hopefully, not strip bolts. So when I want to do my YouTube stuff, I got the good stuff so that the product I put out is good. It's all about putting out a good product, and that's what we're here to do. So appreciate you guys. I'm going to throw this up there. You guys get to see it. It's super cool. And then I'll be editing the videos that I shot for today, and hopefully I need to upload the new car ASAP. I need to do that quick. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Peace and love.